In this video, we're going to focus on solving probability exponential distribution problems. So let's start with this one, number 1. Laptops produced by company XYZ lasts, on average, for 5 years. The lifespan of each laptop follows an exponential distribution. Part A. Calculate the rate parameter. The rate parameter is represented by the symbol lambda. Now, in order to calculate the rate parameter, we need to know what mu is, in this case the average. The average is 5 years. Now the rate parameter, it's 1 over lambda. So that's going to be 1 over 5. 1 divided by 5 is 0.20, and the units is going to be years to the minus 1. So that's how we can calculate the rate parameter. It's very straightforward. Now, part B. Write the probability density function, and then we'll graph it. The probability density function is represented by f of x. And f of x is equal to the rate parameter lambda times e raised to the negative lambda times x. Now, keep in mind, e is a number. It's approximately 2.71828. So now replacing lambda with 0.20, we have the function 0.20 e to the negative 0.20x. And so this right here is the probability density function, or you could say the PDF for short. Now we need to graph it. So I'm going to do that on the right side. The graph is going to start from the y-axis, and it's going to decrease over time. Now the y-intercept is the rate parameter, so that's going to be 0.20. And you could confirm this using the scientific calculator. If you plug in 0 into this function, e to the 0 is 1, and then it's going to be 1 times 0.20, which is 0.20. Anything raised to the 0 power is always 1. Now let's move on to part C. What is the probability that a laptop will last less than 3 years? So let's say 3 is right here. To determine the probability, we need to calculate the area under the curve from 0 to 3, or to the left of 3. Now let me just get rid of some stuff here. Hopefully you wrote that down. But if you need to, you can pause the video and just rewind and write what you need to write. Now the area on the left side can be calculated using this formula. So the probability that x is less than x is going to be 1 minus e raised to the negative lambda times x. So we want to find a probability that x is less than 3. So it's going to be 1 minus e raised to the negative 0.20 times 3, which is 0.2 times 3 is 0.6. So that's 1 minus e raised to the negative 0.6. Go ahead and type that in. And so you should get 0.4512 for the answer. So there's a 45.12% chance that the laptop will last less than 3 years. Part D. What is the probability that a laptop will last more than 10 years? So let's say 10 is right here. In this case, we need to find the area to the right. To do that, we could use this formula. The probability that x is greater than x, and it's just going to be e to the negative lambda times x. So the probability that x is greater than 10 is e negative 0.20 times 10, And negative 0.2 times 10, that's negative 2. So it's just e to the minus 2. And so you should get 0.1353. So that's the answer. Or you could say there is a 13.53% chance that a laptop will last more than 10 years. That is a laptop issued by company XYZ. Now let's move on to part E. What is the probability that a laptop will last between 4 and 7 years? Go ahead and try that one. So what do you think we need to do for part E? So first, let's write out what we know. We need to calculate the probability that x is between 4 and 7. And this really is just the difference between the probability that x is less than 7 and the probability, let me write this better, that x is less than 4. So let's get rid of this picture. So if you want to visually see it, the probability that x is less than 7, let's say this is 7 right here, would be the area to the left of 7. And the probability that x is less than 4 looks like this. So the difference, let's say here's 7. If you take away 4 from 7, you're left with 3. You're going to be left with this area here. And that is what we're looking for. So we're going to get this answer. So hopefully you can see that visually. So now let's go ahead and finish this problem. So the probability that x is less than 7, now just to review, we're going to use this formula. It's 1 minus e to the negative lambda times x. So this is going to be 1 minus e to the negative 0.20 times 7. And the probability that x is less than 4 is going to be 1 minus e to the negative 0.20 times 4. So the first one is going to be 1 minus e. 0.20 times 7, we know 2 times 7 is 14, so 0.2 times 7 is 1.4. So it's 1 minus e to the negative 1.4. So the first part is 0.75340. Now for the second part, 0.20 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8, so 0.20 times 4 is 0.80. So it's 1 minus e to the negative 0.80. And you should get 0.55067. Now all we need to do at this point is we need to take the difference of these two numbers. So 0.7534 minus 0.55067. And so the answer is going to be 0.20273. So we could say this is approximately a 20.27% chance. Or you could say 20.3. So there's a 20.3% chance that a laptop issued by company XYZ will last between 4 and 7 years. And so that's how you can solve a few basic probability exponential distribution problems. That's basically it for this video. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks again for watching.